TripDirect is a powerful on-demand trip planning and management tool that helps you streamline the educational trip workflow process from request and approval all the way to vehicle and driver scheduling. Before we dive into the product, a couple of benefits of TripDirect include streamlining the trip request and approval process by reducing paperwork and phone calls. Saves trip management personnel $30 to $60 and 1 to 2 cumulative hours per event through time savings and efficiency gains. Easily and accurately indicates driver and vehicle availability for quick reference. Improves coordination of support resources for trips. We will begin our quick demonstration of TripDirect at the requester role. What any given user sees in the system depends on their role. A requester's main purpose is to submit a trip request. Here's a sample of the trip request form that will be submitted online. Requesters enter booking details, transportation type, trip contacts, number of attendees, and submit to the system using a common password. A requester can view the trip request they have submitted and view the status of each request through this page. Email notifications can also be sent out as status changes. Where the request goes once it's submitted is completely up to you. It can go directly to the trip department, to a specific driver in the system, or to a site administrator for approval, as seen here. The site administrator sees the number of requests waiting approval on their home page and simply clicks on the number of new request for approval and to move the request on its way. I am now logged in as an administrator who has access to everything in the system. Trip request can also be routed to an administrator for approval, as seen here. They can select to assign drivers for the trip or use auto-assign driver functionality. They can then simply click to approve and activate the trip request. TripDirect has a calendar tab, a place where you can go to see what's going on, when, where, and who's involved. You can also see an easy-to-read calendar format at trip cursing on a month-to-month or year-to-year basis. You can even check the weather by clicking on the Get Weather link. Next, I'll show what you can do to report on this information. Administrators can run any number of very easy-to-use reports. For example, to find a trip quickly, you can use the Advanced Search feature. Simply click on the criteria that you want to use for the search and then click Submit. You can even save these reports to run at a later time. Here, I will run a search for all trips at the Dean Smith Center. There are additional reports in the Information Analysis section of the TripDirect homepage. ScheduleStar has a team at SchoolDude.com to create a powerful communication and event scheduling solution for schools, connecting your existing ScheduleStar application with SchoolDude's facility usage and trip scheduling system that enables two-way communication between district level and local level event scheduling.